Welcome back to Add Art. Today's lesson is for Freya, who asked me to draw a guinea pig and a blossom tree. Now, whenever I've walked under blossom, I've always thought it feels like it's snowing. So I've got the guinea pig dancing in the blossom almost as though it's snow. Now, before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art so you're the first to know when I've done a new lesson. And remember to share with all your friends who love to draw too. Okay, let's make a start. First we'll start with the guinea pig's ear. Put some little tufts of hair there. And then we'll give him a sort of spiky haircut here. Coming down to his nose. A little triangle nose there. We'll bring this down and around and up into a friendly smile. Cheek there. And then an eye, the rest of the cheek. Looking up at the blossom, amazed, almost as though it thinks it's snowing. Do the bottom of its jaw. I'm doing this quite kind of roughly, almost as though it's made of fur. They have this fur at the side. Just finish underneath the mouth there, and the nose. Next we'll do the body. Down and out slightly. Make it a little rounder towards the bottom. We'll have its foot up here as though it's skipping. And it looks as though the leg is just behind the foot there. Continue with the body. And put the other foot in here, stepping. The toes slightly bent, taking the weight of the guinea pig. Remember, if I'm going a little bit too fast, you can always pause the video, catch up, and then press play again. Do the arms outstretched, trying to catch the blossom. Fingers bending down there. Just do these lines for the palms. Shadow underneath. Now I haven't taken that up to the other foot because that one's raised slightly. Do some grass in the background. Just sketch in the belly there. Some dots where the whiskers will come out. Now, she asked for a blossom tree. I think we'll do two. We'll do one this side, reaching up to the sky. And they're quite thin trees. One of my favourite things to see in the spring is the pink blossom against bright blue sky. You know that summer's on the way. We'll fill that in with some blossom. Looks like a cloud around it. Very light leaves. Have some of the blossom falling off as circles there. There we go. We can start filling this scene with these circles. Like I was saying, like snow. You can put in as much or as little as you like. And if you put some just in front of the guinea pig there, it'll look like it's falling in front of him or her. And put some that have landed on the floor and started to settle. Okay, let's put in this other tree as well. Have it reaching up. Whenever I'm drawing branches, I always have them kind of stretching upwards. Take that all the way down. And again, fill in the tree full of blossom. Put some circles in as though the blossoms caught the air. And there we have it. There is our guinea pig with blossom trees. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one, Freya, and everyone else. Do remember, if you have, then to give me a like by hitting the thumb button below. And if you want to make a suggestion like Freya's mum did, then get a grown-up to contact me on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king, and perhaps I'll choose your drawing to do next time. But that's it for today, and I'll see you again on another Ad Art. Bye for now.